Hello guys, so today we're going to make chocolate crinkles. My goddaughter is turning 7 and she requested for this. This is one of her favorite cookie. So first, we need a cup of flour, a quarter of teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder, a cup of sugar, and a half cup of cocoa powder. Two eggs, quarter cup oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, icing sugar. So that's all the ingredients. So first, I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients. So we need a cup of flour, quarter of teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a cup of sugar, this is quarter cup. I don't like it too sweet, so I'm gonna make it less than a cup. Yeah, just almost a cup. And a half cup of cocoa powder. And a half cup of cocoa powder. You can mix this manually, but I have this anyway, so I better use this. So I'm going to mix this first. Then I'm going to add the eggs slowly, one by one. Then the quarter cup oil is a quarter cup. Teaspoon of vanilla. So it's done. Actually guys, this is not my original recipe, but I don't remember where I get the recipe because I've been doing this for ages, like so many years. I don't even recall how many years. And we need to chill this in the fridge for at least an hour. I'm going to put this in the fridge for at least 1 hour before we bake this. So guys, here it is. We need to chill this in the fridge for at least an hour. So this is our dough after a few hours in the fridge. Gonna turn on the oven for 350 degrees. Our trays are ready, and the icing sugar. So I'm gonna roll this. You can use an ice cream scoop, but I can't find mine today, so I'm just gonna use 2 spoons. I like to use the ice cream scoop because you have the same size, but this is okay. Yeah, just roll it in icing sugar. So we need to toast this. So just coat it with the icing sugar. And then make sure you have enough spacing when you put it in a tray. So now the oven is ready. We're going to put this in the oven for 11 minutes. So we'll put a timer for 11 minutes. So here it is after 11 minutes. It's still soft and warm. So we have to wait till it totally cooled down before we transfer it to a container. So here it is, ready for delivery.
Ano yung mas ano
Open eyes.
Ano ba yung sa KFC ba yan?
Thank you, Tita Vat, for the crinkles. I love them.